This is video 3 of many. The ongoing land theft in North Aceh, locations 20 to 29. People of Aceh and the world, we continue unveiling the brutal and systematic seizure of our ancestral land. What you are about to read is not history. It is ongoing colonization. Gampong Muria, Tanah Luas. Over 230 hectares confiscated. Villages forced to flee after military raids. Year, 1991 to 1996. Main perpetrators, TNI Unit 112 Captain Joko Prayitno, ExxonMobil Security Liaison, Mr. Hendro S. Gampong Baro, Scientalira Bayu. Farmland seized, children disappeared. Reported by ICRC in 1997. Year, 1993 to 1997. Main perpetrators, TNI Kodam 0103 Major Father Rahman, SGI, Sergeant Untung Haryadi. Pukik Alu, Bakhtia, area razed and fenced for resource extraction. Civilian protests crushed violently. Year, 1995 to 1999. Main perpetrators, Brimob, Inspi. Akbar Yunus, ExxonMobil Area Ops, Muzdavina Pramaswari. Loks and Tang, Loksukon. Military encampment built on stolen land. Women subjected to mass sexual violence. Year, 1994 to 1998. Main perpetrators, TNI Battalion 113 Captain Tommy Sailendra, Kopassus, Lieutenant Hendry Wibowo. Matang Main, Tanah Pasir. Over 210 hectares converted into a live fire test range. Mass displacement recorded by HRW. Year, 1990 to 1996. Main perpetrators, TNI Armed Unit, Major Rudi Cahyono, ExxonMobil Logistics Head, Mr. Baharuddin M. Burundang, Kot Girik. Entire village flattened in a scorched earth operation. Children and elderly disappeared. Year, 1991 to 1995. Main perpetrators, Kopassus, Major Anwar Sarega, Intel SGI, Sergeant Rendi Aulia. Blang Panyang, Muara Batu 280 hectares transformed into surveillance facility and black site. Year, 1993 to 1999. Main perpetrators, SGI, Intel, Lieutenant Dewa Putra, ExxonMobil Senior Advisor, Mr. David H. Thompson. Uli Blang Main, Bakhtia. Local women abducted and raped repeatedly in a makeshift detention hut. Year, 1992 to 1997. Main perpetrators, Brimob, Sergeant Indra S., TNI, Corporal Wahyudi. Minasa Pulo, Dewantara. Sacred land bulldozed. Community cemetery desecrated. Year, 1993 to 2000. Main perpetrators, TNI, Lieutenant Colonel Suya Anwar, ExxonMobil Land Acquisition, Mr. Faris D. Matang Kumbing, Tanah Luas 260 hectares militarized. Survivors describe execution pits behind fuel depot. Year, 1991 to 1996. Main perpetrators, TNI Battalion 111 Major Ronnie Gunawan, ExxonMobil Internal Ops, Mr. Henry Wijaya. Total land seized, locations 20 to 29, estimated 2,270 hectares. These are not just crimes. These are crimes against humanity. These names, these places, they are real. Google them, find them on your map. Ask the people, ask the survivors. Indonesia cannot hide behind propaganda any longer. They are liars, they are killers, they are children rapists, they are thieves. They are corrupt. Dismantle the military occupation. Support the Achenese resistance. Free Aceh from colonial chains, forever. According to the World Bank and various post-tsunami monitoring bodies, over $500 million United States dollars of the tsunami reconstruction funds for Aceh were either embezzled, misused, or unaccounted for, diverted through corrupt networks involving Indonesian military, local political elites, and business cartels. The people of Aceh were promised healing. What they received instead was exploitation under the guise of recovery. Villages were relocated for military purposes. Aid money became fuel for colonial expansion. Sources: World Bank Indonesia Governance Review, 2007, International Crisis Group, ICG, Transparency International Indonesia, UNDP Tsunami Evaluation Coalition Report, 2006. Why does the World Bank still support the colonizers? Despite full knowledge of Indonesia's military corruption, thousands child rapists, and mass killings in Aceh, the World Bank and similar agencies continued channeling funds through Jakarta. Is the World Bank the supporter of trained military of pedophiles? This is the uncomfortable truth. International aid often becomes a weapon of colonial control when it refuses to listen to the victims, and instead empowers the perpetrators. Please follow, share, like, and comment. Your voice matters. One share could save a nation from erasure and genocide.